Welcome to our STAT lecture series. Today's topic is design of single footing in STAT foundation. Let's create a new file of general setup. At first, we have to set up our grid. We see that our grid has been set up 1 meter by 1 meter. So, let's fix the column position. We fix it 0, 0, 0. Now let's go to column dimension. We find column dimension has been given 0.3048 by 3048. We change it to 0.35 meter, 0.35 meter. Pedestal, consider pedestal? No. Now let's go to load and factors. In load title we give dead load, add. Now on the load case 1, right click and add column reaction load. We enter column reaction as minus 700 kilonewton. So column reaction load of minus 700 kilonewton has been added. Now let's assign this reaction to the footing, assign load. After assigning load, we will go to generate load combination. Load combination table, we will check Indian code. Now update table and generate load combination. Load combination generation completed. This is for service load. Another we have to create for ultimate load. Update table and generate load combination. Load combination has been created. Now we have to go to job setup, create a new job. Here we find we have to give a name. Let's give name as name 1. Job type isolated footing, code Indian, default unit SI. Now we have to select the available load cases. One we have to select from service load and one we have to select from ultimate load. Now let's create job. So isolated job, footing job has been created. design parameter. Let's first go to concrete and rebar. Here we find unit weight of concrete, maximum bar spacing, minimum bar spacing, maximum bar spacing, strength of concrete, yield strength of steel. Let us change it to 500 Newton per millimeter square. Minimum bar size, let's change it into 12. Maximum bar size to 16. Then let's go to cover and soil. Soil type, drain condition, bottom clear cover 50, unit weight of soil. Let's change it to 18 kN per meter cube. Soil bearing capacity 100 kN per meter square. Depth of soil above 14. Let's keep it as it is 0 millimeter. Depth of water table is 10 meter. Minimum percentage of contact area, let's give 100. Let's come to footing geometry. Footing is of uniform thickness. Design type will be calculate design. Minimum length 1 meter, length and width 1 meter. Minimum thickness 305 millimeter. And all other factors has been given, which you will read from here. We will keep it unchanged. Sliding and overturning, coefficient of friction 0.5, factor of safety against sliding 1.5, factor of safety against overturning 1.5. Now let's go to design. So our design has been done. Footing, the design result is the length of footing is 2.8 meter, width of footing is 2.8 meter, thickness is 0.455 meter. Footing reinforcement is given 12.5 diameter bar at the rate of 190 millimeter center to center in both directions. Design details has been given below. Pressure at corner, checking depth against moment with respect to x-axis, z-axis, two-way shear, check for two-way shear. So our assignment has been completed.